That's a wrap, folks. All wrapped up here Friday morning. 25 below zero. Nice in here. And this project is ready for the next step of freight and install. So waiting for my customer to give me the okay on that. So I'll walk you through it a little bit here. There's our medicine wall cabinet all wrapped up. And this beautiful thing, this piece of furniture, I just absolutely love this. This is luxury cabinetry, folks. All the bells and whistles. Cool, 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 cool. If you're thinking of having your kitchen, or if you're building a new house, give me a shout and we can do the same type of construction. All inset flushed, finished ends, all inset flush. It's got everything. It's got everything. There's the vanity. Get a shot of that like that. Cool, cool, cool. And the Cambria, that's going to be going on it once it gets installed. So pretty excited this morning. It's nice to see a project all come together in the very end. Everything went very, very well. So thanks for watching. It's greatly appreciated.